Hi, my name is Victoria and you are watching Kluver Vibes. Today's video is about stuffing our envelopes.
These right here are the envelopes we're going to fill. This is the amount we're going to put in each envelope. This is the denomination that I asked for at the bank, and these are a portion of the envelopes. So let's get started. Before I get started, I like to get my bills in order, and I like to face them the same way. I set them up from largest to smallest. The first envelope we are going to be filling is car registration. This comes out once a year, so we like to save a little bit of each paycheck to go into it. Currently, we are saving $8 to go into this envelope. I like to highlight as I go so I know which envelope is getting filled. I also recommend knowing what your car registration is and dividing it by 12 so that you know how much each month needs to go into this envelope for yourself. We added $8 to this envelope, bringing it to a total of $62. As for our entertainment envelope, we currently add $60 every 2 weeks, and we currently didn't have any leftover from the previous week, so we are starting with $60 fresh. On the back, we can keep track of where we're spending our money. Dr. Copay is a new envelope that we are contributing to. We are adding $5 every paycheck into this envelope, and this is in case the boys have a doctor's appointment that isn't scheduled where we will have to pay a copay. This envelope is a little bit different from our previous envelopes. This is currently the black and white option that the Budget Mom offers on our website. I will provide a link for them in the notes. As for the dollar amount that goes into this envelope, it is $30 every 2 weeks. Currently we had 30 in there, so now we'll have a total of $60. Our vitamins account will currently get $10 from this paycheck to go into it. I will highlight it. This envelope may not get any contribution next paycheck because once I have enough to restock my vitamins, I will stop contributing to the envelope. Our clothing envelope gets $15 every paycheck. Here's an envelope that you can get for free on the Budget Mom's website. I'll link this one as well. This is our optometrist envelope, and we are saving for new glasses for Seth. Typically, we always just saved a few dollars every paycheck, but now we actually have a goal to get him new glasses by the end of the year. So we are adding $6 every paycheck to this envelope. Our Amazon envelope takes care of the yearly subscription fee. Ours comes out in January, so we definitely find it important to have this envelope ready to go. If you're new to starting envelopes and it makes you a little bit nervous, I would personally start with anything that comes out yearly so that you can save a little bit each paycheck. What you're going to want to do is check out the yearly items that come out and divide it by 12 to know how much needs to go into that envelope each month. Costco is another membership that comes out yearly, and ours is due in January. So we definitely saved just a little bit each paycheck for this one, and it's currently getting saved $3 a check. This year, we added an envelope for our anniversary. We are reaching a goal of 160, so we are taking $8 from each check to get into this envelope. Typically, we always took it from the extra of our paycheck, but now we'll already have money set aside for our anniversary. Halloween is a new envelope that we are implementing this year, and we are adding $6 every paycheck to this envelope. This is going to take care of any pumpkins that we buy, going to the pumpkin patch, and any expenses that we have when we do our carving night. Christmas is a new envelope that we are starting this year. We are going to save $400 for Christmas, which makes it to $20 every paycheck that's going to go into this envelope. Last year and the year priors, we always took money from our gift account, but now we'll specifically have an envelope for Christmas. And that way, if we see anything on sale or during Black Friday that we want to buy for somebody, we will already have money set aside for it. Luke has a birthday envelope, and we are currently playing catch up because his birthday is in March, so we are saving a big chunk of each paycheck to this one. Currently, he's getting $62 each paycheck to go into his envelope. That way, we have $250 saved for his birthday, and that can go to any party supplies, food, and a gift or more for him. Now, Han, on the other hand, has a birthday in August, so he gets $21 each paycheck into his envelope. That way, we have $250 saved for his birthday. This is the first year we are contributing money to our birthdays as well. So now I will get $40 every paycheck to my envelope, and my birthday's in March. This money could go to a birthday dinner between Seth and I, or a gift for myself. But it's nice because each year when we didn't have money saved for ourselves, I would feel guilty taking it out of the gift account. This way, money is already set aside for my birthday, and I love it because it's budgeted for. Seth, on the other hand, gets $16 every paycheck because his birthday is in June, so we have a little bit more time to save money for his. Our grocery budget gets $250 every paycheck. This one we struggled with staying on budget, but currently we had $5 saved from a last paycheck, so I'm super excited we've been on point. On the back, we will keep track of where our money goes from this envelope as well. Miscellaneous is an envelope that we added last year, and we just put $20 into this account in case anything comes up that is unexpected. Our repairs and tires account gets $46 each paycheck. This account will not have a ending goal, but rather just continually get deposited $46 each paycheck. That way we always have money for a smog check, an oil change, new tires, whatever it is that comes up with the car. We thankfully have a good chunk saved for it. We also have a gift account, and this takes care of any birthdays that come up, and we save $50 each paycheck to this envelope. Our dog even has an envelope. She gets $5 every paycheck, and this takes care of her food or any grooming appointments. This leftover $80 goes to Seth and myself. $40 goes to him and $40 goes to myself, and we can spend it however we'd like. This little note that I have right here is to make sure I deposit any money that we spent on the debit card that actually comes from envelopes.